Early one morning, before I'd even really woken up, I stood up too fast and my balance just wasn't there. Nothing dramatic, just that half second where your body doesn't know where center is anymore. That half second taught me more about recovery than most of my workouts did. Here's the thing nobody explained to me early on. Your balance doesn't actually start at your feet. It starts in your trunk, your core. Think of it like a crane. The base has to be locked in and solid before the arm at the top can move with any control. If that base is shaky, nothing above it moves right. Your trunk is your base. Weak or unstable there, and your arms, your legs, your whole balance system is working without a foundation. That's why one exercise made a bigger difference for my walking and balance than almost anything else I tried. Trunk rotation. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, sitting up as tall as you can. Arms can rest in your lap or crossed if that's more comfortable. Before you move at all, engage. Squeeze your rib cage in and pull your belly button back toward your spine. Hold that the whole time. Now turn slowly to one side, as far as you can while staying engaged. Back to center. Turn to the other side, back to center. Take a breath, that's one rep. Two things matter here. Don't lean forward or back as you turn, and let your head move with your trunk, not separately from it. And go slow. Slow is the whole point. This only works if you stay engaged the entire movement, not just at the start. Once that feels manageable, here are 3 ways to progress it. 1. Clasp your hands together and hold them out in front of you as you rotate. That adds weight, and it puts something outside your center of balance, so it's a bigger challenge than the base version. If your affected arm wants to bend instead of staying straight, that's completely fine. 2. Instead of just turning, reach across your body. Take the hand opposite the direction you're turning and reach it across as you rotate, as far as you safely can while staying engaged. Back to center, switch hands, reach the other way. This one matters because it's functional. It's how you actually reach for things in real life. If your affected arm is still hard to raise, clasp your hands and let your stronger arm help it reach across. Because this challenges your balance more, have someone with you or something solid to hold on to. 3. Do it standing. Same movement, but now you're also shifting your weight, and where you hold your arms changes your center of gravity too. You can cross your arms over your chest, hold them out front, or reach across, your choice. Make sure your safety precautions are in place before you try this one. 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 15 reps, with real rest between sets. This is demanding, especially once you're reaching or standing. This isn't a random exercise I picked. It's built on something rehab calls proximal stability for distal mobility. A stable center is what makes controlled movement possible everywhere else. I do this every morning now, and it's the difference between a shaky first hour and a steady one. Your version of this might look different from mine, and that's not a failure, that's just where you're starting from. Maybe you're only doing the seated version for months, maybe standing is still a while away. Both are the same exercise, just met where you actually are. If this helped, subscribe. New video every Friday, plus a how-to like this one most Wednesdays. And tell me in the comments, what's actually helped your balance the most since your stroke? I read every one. If this helped you or someone you love, please subscribe. I post every week.